What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Snowflex at night. It's nighttime, and we're gonna have a good time. I don't know. We're here to snowboard. That's what we're doing. So let's go. Goodness. What's that there? Oh, molly off. Let's go. He's a carpet boarder. Dude, that was a sick line. Good line. I'm so hyped Cody slayed that line because the previous 2 days he's just been filming a bunch. So dude, let's go. Snag the Slush Badger sticker to support Cody. It's the sickest, like, I don't know, it's Cody. It's got his, he's a Slush Badger and he's got his camo, he's got his board, everything. It's so dope. So if you buy that sticker, 100% of the proceeds go to Cody, just because we're trying to show appreciation for our boy. So we appreciate what that dude does for us. He edits like 70% of the videos. He freaking films everything, like he's the man. Woo, here we go.
Two shows in it, one bad, two, and then I ain't gotta lie to you. I'll
Oh, I thought I
don't be trying to put your nose in it, I ain't gotta lie to you. New whip in it, it be hard not to speed in it, I ain't gotta lie to you. Talk with a lot of emphasis, like me, only difference is I ain't gotta lie to you. I know you're gonna learn to love me, cause I be pretty when it's ugly. I hit her with a dub. I told her, baby girl, you love me, but keep the gavel, don't judge me. I'm everywhere the sun be. I'm at the crib, city comfort. I go bananas on the monkey. I turn it to a junkie. And all my from the country. We be flying up the country. My pockets on junk.
So fun fact, night riding here at Snowflex is actually better than the daytime riding because the sun's not out. The sun helps the water melt, evaporate faster, you know what I'm saying? So the more wet the snow is, the faster it rides. But also it's really hot, so at night it gets a little colder, the sun's not blazing on you. Feels so much better. It almost feels as good as today's sticker shout out. We got Ron211 with the white sticker on the board. Looking insane, man. Thank you so much for tagging Evolution sticker. As well as we got Jackson_Corvera hitting the feature with Evolution sticker. Guys, thank you so much for snagging the stickers. If you're a skier, we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker, as well as any of our merch, guys, like the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, the shirts, jackets, the hats, all of it, guys, is linked down below. And if you do snag it, just tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs like I just did, but also it supports stream. It's how we do this. And if you guys are repping the sticker, it's a lot easier for me to come say what up to you guys on the mountain when I see the sticker on the mountain. And I do come say what up to you. Yo, dude. Hey, little man. Yo, little dude. That is a sick sticker.
What's up?
That's the sickest sticker. What's your name?
Oh.
Follow my Instagram and my TikTok for bonus extra content. It's how you guys know where we're traveling, all kinds of stuff like that. We've been posting a lot of vertical type content. You know, we got to play the social media game, so there's bonus stuff on those platforms. So check those out as well. And it's time to keep, dude. This is a good night. I'm having fun. Let's keep setting it. I never would have dreamt of doing that. Dude, Cody's showing me all the tricks to try. Small rail. get that good with Cody. That was terrifying. So on this side, they actually have tubing, which is the most terrifying thing of all time because it's plastic tubing. Like the tube has plastic on the bottom, and then you're sliding on plastic, and it's the gnarliest, most craziest sounding thing of all time. Here's a clip of a chick. Next row camp. Oh yeah, get that. Well, that was terrifying, wasn't it? Yeah. No, forget that. You're a madman. Badger down.
Fine line between slipping out and not slipping out on that trick.
All right, this was a session at night, a night session, and it was a blast. And the slush badger, Cody, he ripped. I'm surprised. He hasn't really done much other than follow me. The last, like yesterday in the early morning today, comes out here, the dude threw down. He threw down, so proud of Cody. Here we go, this chipmunk, they closed the lifts. So we're gonna ride out of here, and then tomorrow's our last day, riding the carpet, mountain carpet sledding. If you don't know what this stuff is, subscribe to the channel and check out the other ones. But all right, time to drop. Little rail, wall, crazy box, DFD.
That's what happens when you say you can't catch an edge, you catch an edge.
Yeah. I think you can catch it. Alright, Team Buckhouse, we gotta go wash off all this algae off the board. It gets so dirty here, it's kind of gross. But with all that being said, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It is daily on the Snowboard channel.